Before we start, go ahead and grate your carrots. You'll need 3 cups or about 6 medium carrots, washed and peeled. It's a bit tedious, I know, but trust me, this step is worth it for the freshest, most flavorful carrot cake. And while you're at it, toast those pecans. Just a few minutes in a dry pan brings out their rich, nutty flavor. Once they're golden and fragrant, set them aside to cool. Now preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13 inch pan with butter. A little flour helps ensure your cake will come out perfectly. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together brown sugar, white sugar, 4 eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla. This creates a rich, moist bake for your cake. Now add the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then add the spices: cozy cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. These give your carrot cake a cozy, delicious flavor. Give it a good mix until everything is combined. Now you can stir in those freshly grated carrots and some of the toasted pecans. This step gives our cake that classic flavor and texture. And then add in the ½ cup of unsweetened applesauce. That batter looks really great. Good job. Now pour the batter into your prepared pan, smooth it out, and bake for about 40 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let your cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. And while it cools, let's make that delicious cream cheese frosting. Beat together cream cheese, softened butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla until it's smooth and creamy. Powdered sugar will fly everywhere, but that's just part of baking. Now I think this is the best part. Just look at that luscious cream cheese frosting. Spread all of the frosting evenly over the top of the cooled cake. Looks delicious, right? Make sure you get that frosting into the corners. I can't wait to taste this. And now we have just one more step. For the final touch, let's sprinkle the rest of those toasted chopped pecans over the top, just to give it a little extra crunch. And that's it. A simple, delicious carrot cake that will feed a crowd. And that's perfect for any occasion you throw at it. Enjoy, but we're not finished baking. Up next, we've got 5 refrigerated pie crust hacks that you are going to love.